Hello everyone, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Today I am going to discuss the concept equally inclined with a line. See the first point, what they are given. A pair of lines L1, L2 is equal to 0 is said to be equally inclined to a line L is equal to 0. If the lines L1 is equal to 0, L2 is equal to 0, subtends the same angle with the line. That means, so this is line 1, this is line 2. Anyone you can take. For suppose this is L1, this is L2. Okay. Now, equally inclined, draw the one line. This is a line L is equal to 0. Angle between L and L1, angle between L and L2. Same angle means line L, we will say that equally inclined, or the pair of line is equally inclined with the line L is equal to 0. That is the meaning. Okay, right. Go to the second point. Every pair of lines is equally inclined to either of its angular bisectors. Second point is important. Here we know that angular bisector means, so the L1, L2, one pair of line. The angular bisectors, another angular bisector I am drawing here, this is. These two are perpendicular to each other. These angular bisectors are equally inclined to the pair of lines. That is the meaning of that. Every pair of lines is equally inclined to either of its angular bisectors. There are two angular bisectors. This is one, this is two. Both are equally inclined to the pair of lines. Okay. Next, I am going to third point. A pair of line is equally inclined to a line L is equal to 0. If L is equal to 0 is parallel to one of the angular bisector. So these pink color lines are angular bisectors of pair of lines. Pair of lines is red color. So one of the line is angle bisector line. This is here. Green color line, what I am drawing. This line is parallel to one of angular bisector equation. So here, green line and purple color, there is purple now, both are representing same. That means those lines are parallel. That is the meaning of that. Once again, read the third point. A pair of lines is equally inclined to a line L is equal to 0. If L is equal to 0 is parallel to one of the angular bisector, perpendicular to one of the angular bisector also. This is perpendicular now, right? So now I am going to fifth point. Given pair of lines through the origin equally inclined to the coordinate axis. First, draw the coordinate axis. This is coordinate axis, x and y. Here draw that. Given pair of lines passing through origin equally inclined to the coordinate axis. This is a one pair, one line. This is another line. This is L1 is equal to 0. This is L2 is equal to 0. L1 into L2 is equal to 0 is one pair of line. See here. So one of the line is bisecting the coordinates. So these two angles are equal. Same as another line is also bisecting the coordinate axis. Once again, see here, given pair of lines through the origin is equally inclined to the coordinate axis. That implies the pair of angular bisector of given pair of lines through the origin is coordinate axis. Okay, here the red color line is, I am writing x square minus y square is equal to 0. This is the pair of line. What are the pair of angular bisector equation? Xy is equal to 0 only. Xy is equal to 0. How we got that? What is the formula actually? H into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b into xy or not. This is pair of angular bisector equation. Okay, so in this pair of line, identify that a value is 1, b value is -1, h value is 0. Substitute here 0 into something 0. Here 1 minus of minus plus 1, xy. 2xy is equal to 0. Xy is equal to 0. So xy means this is y is equal to 0, x-axis. This is y-axis, x is equal to 0. Okay, right. Here, go to the second point. If the pair of lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, equally inclined to the coordinate axis. The pair of line is equally inclined to the coordinate axis. What is the pair of line? X square minus y square is equal to 0 now. What is xy coefficient here? 0. That is only they are given. H is equal to 0 and AB values observe that one is 1, another one is -1, but their product is less than 0. Their product is less than 0. Here already given h is equal to 0 and AB is less than 0. This is another point. Next, most important point, sixth one. The pair of lines L1, L2 is equal to 0 bisects the angle between the pair of lines L3, L4 is equal to 0. That meaning is pair of angular bisectors of L3, L4 is equal to 0 and pair of lines L1, L2 is equal to 0 represent same equation. That means, see the diagram, then you will understood. This is coordinate system. First draw that one pair of line. This is line 1, L1. Another one. This is L2. Product of these two, we get one pair of line. Next, one more. This is L3 is equal to 0. Now this is L4 is equal to 0. Now here draw the pair of angular bisector. This is one pair of angular bisector and this is one more. This is a pair of angular bisector equation. Green color lines are pair of angular bisector. Red color is first pair of line. So first pair of line, see here, making an angle with green line, same. And second pair of line making an angle, same. These angles same and these two angles also same. That means angle between these two lines, we can expect same. We can expect same. That means red color lines are one pair of line, blue color lines are another pair of line, but green color line is pair of angular bisector equation of L3, L4 is equal to 0 and L1, L2 is equal to 0. Represent same equation. Now, seventh point. Two pair of lines L1, L2 is equal to 0, L3, L4 is equal to 0 are such that each bisects the angle between the other pair. That meaning is both are having same pair of angular bisector equation. Two pair of lines are equally inclined to each other. Equally inclined means these two angles are equal. So that means two pair of lines have same pair of angular bisector equation. Here L1, L2 is equal to one pair of line. L3, L4 is equal to another pair of line. These two pair of lines having that same pair of angular bisector equation. This is both are having same pair of angular bisector. That is the meaning of that. Students, all of you understood now? If the two pair of lines 2x square plus 6xy plus y square is equal to 0 and 4x square plus 18xy plus by square is equal to 0 are equally inclined. The two pair of lines are equally inclined means both are having same pair of angular bisector equation. Okay. Now, first observe the first pair of line. What is A value? 2. 2H value? 6. H value? 3. B value? 1. Here find pair of angular bisector equation. H into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b into xy. What is h? 3. X square minus y square, that is equal to a minus b, 2 minus 1 into xy. Students, calculate here. 3x square. Right hand side you will get plus xy. Send that left hand side minus xy. Minus 3y square is equal to 0. This is one pair of angular bisector. Observe the second equation. Second equation, a value is 4, 2h value is 18, and b value is b. Here also same formula we can use. H 9 into x square minus y square, that is equal to 4 minus 1 into xy. Okay, 4 minus 1 means 3. 3 3s are 9. Calculate that. 3x square minus xy minus 3y square is equal to 0. This is second one. But 1 and 2 represents same. 1 and 2 represents same. Then compare both. Compare both. What we get the answer? Here I am written mistake, sorry. What is the mistake here? This is not